Hey everyone, my name is Sherry and I'm the Academy and Community Lead at EasyStore. And this is how you can create a page content in your online store. So if you want to create a page for your e-commerce website, feel free to go to your EasyStore admin panel, Channels, Online Store, and click the second one below, Themes, Pages. Okay, let's try the About Us. Okay, of course, you can add page. That means add more pages. Maybe you want to have something else title. Okay, let's assume that now I'm creating a new page, new blank A4 paper right now. And what are the things that I'm going to put? Maybe I put our story. Okay, this page is about my story. Then you can start writing my story. We begin in what year? Blah, 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 blah. All these things, then you can play around. You can write it. And then you can visibility. Maybe your story, you want to schedule it. Maybe you don't want it to publish today. Maybe tomorrow. You can schedule it. Maybe tomorrow, what time? So maybe tomorrow 11 a.m. you can schedule it first. And then once it reaches tomorrow 11 a.m. automatically this article will, this page will officially launch in your online store. Okay, but for me, I feel like I can publish it immediately. Okay, and then if you take a look at the below setting, this page will be displayed under the menu you selected. There are 4 things lah. Don't show in any menu, main menu, terms and policy footer, or quick links footer. Meaning that if I put our story and then I put it as visible for main menu and terms and policy footer, basically they can click the our story button and read your page. Okay, maybe I'll show you directly on how it looks like. I click main menu and terms and policy footer, and then I click save. Okay, then I go back to my store. I give it a refresh. You can see our story. This one I did it previously but this is the one that I just did. So once they click our story, I want to know about your story. Once I click it, it will link it to the page where I talk about my story. Okay, like this. So this is the pages. Okay, but when we talk about policy, terms of service, privacy policy, refund policy, you can see that by default these are the things that is here because we believe that these are the things quite important for your customer to know. So if you need a guidance on how to write out a format of terms of service, you can click this drop down button of generate sample, and then you click terms of service, policy, privacy policy as well, and you click save, and there you go. So you can view in online store, and this is your privacy policy page. So this is the page. So that's how you can create page contents in your online store. And again, my name is Sherry and I'm the Academy and Community Lead at EasyStore. See you next time. Thank you for watching.